Yeah, I understand that, Miss Brissett. But you have to understand also, say, me genuinely concerned. Yeah, yes, me get all of that. But how I see it, I know that is definitely a setup, Miss Brissett. That is not you, for the bit I know about you. Alright, enough said. Because yes, anything is possible. Yes, I know them can be listening, so yeah, we talk, we talk. We definitely have to go sit down and talk face to face, alright? But please, just keep a positive vibe, keep it chin up, because we know you are good people and we have your back. You hear that? Alright. Just keep living. You hear that? Alright, bless you. Look like I have to go resort to some of my old tactics to find out what I want. Too much liquor mystery.
Yeah. What going on?
It's a good thing I don't have nothing for fear. Because it look like you like sneak up on people.
You know, sir, it's not a sneak up thing, But as a OG yourself, you should have known. Never turn your back to the entrance. Well, I see the development. And I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. I hate when they are observed, And I say, me just wait for get them far and pull down and the place start flash out and, Yeah. So I'll go on otherwise.
Well, you know what? All me do is just pass and fast, brother. Me move like a tourist to see all the sights, especially those with you and your business partner, them. Look like gonna go on good.
Yeah, in spite of the fact that we shuffle the cabinet as far as the management is concerned, I don't know if you're here. I have a new partner. Well, newish because it's really my sister. But you see, chewing the car and go on fame move. She buy out fame shares. I should prove him to be quite cooperative and a team player.
Well, you know what I'm saying now? Women do better at building business. Yep, and as I can see, it will go and build good.
Yeah, and she turned out to be somebody with quite the eye for detail. But between me and you, wait anyway, because I don't want to, sightsee,
Well, you're right, I'm not really there for sightseeing. We get to understand, say, apart from all of this building we are going, we have build dance class for the youths and all kind of other activities are going, but some peculiar activities are going in the community as well, King, don't it?